Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D Shanda, Ipnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing my, cover my address, Facetory box for February 2018. I will leave all the information down below in the description box about Facetory. Facetory is a monthly subscription where you will get face masks. So basically you get these Korean face masks, and those of you that know me and follow me, you know that I am into skincare, specifically Asian skincare or Korean skincare, because they are way beyond the times than they are here in America. So I actually love sheet masks. I've been wearing them for years and they do wonders for the skin. The subscription is, I believe it is $15 a month. There are two different subscriptions. You can get one that is, I believe, like 7 or 8. You get like 4 masks, and then you get the Luxe 7. I believe it's $15 a month. But again, I'll have all the prices down below. Let's get into it. Again, this is for February. The theme here, well, it says just keep glowing. Can you see that? And the packaging, it comes like this. Facetory always does a good job with packaging. And speaking of packaging, I rate my subscription boxes on the 3P system, which is product, packaging, and presentation. And Facetory always knocks it out the box with all 3 things. So let's get started here. So again, they come wrapped in this paper here. I'm going to take the paper off. And the theme is glow from your heart. You make my heart glow. So it's like a Valentine's Day theme. There's a to and from. You can send this off to someone if you want to, and there is some information there that talks a little bit about the box. And we also get this card that tells you everything, and I get the Luxe 7, as you can see. These are all the masks that you get here. It tells you how to use them and whatnot, in case you don't know. Alright, so I may be referring to this card, so if I'm looking down, I apologize. Let's start with the first mask, shall we? The first mask is so cute. It is a DNA couples mask, and it looks like this here, and it's a heart, and it's so cute. And it says, I love you in different languages, like Te amo and Saranghae. Gorgeous. And here's the other side of the mask, what that looks like. I wish I had a boyfriend or a husband I could do this mask with, but I don't. I'm single, so I'll be doing both of these masks by myself. This is so cute, though. This is a good deal. I wish that sometimes masks would come to like this, because the more you get two. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm rambling. Next up is the revitalizing sheet mask. Looks like this. This is pretty. I like the packaging of this one here. And here's the other side there. That's 2. Next one, I like this one. This is a 2-step mask. And this is called the Blossom Jeju, the island of flowers and fruits. Jeju Island, if you don't know, is a beautiful place in South Korea. That's where I want to go. If I ever get married, if I ever have a honeymoon, I want to go to Jeju Island. It is gorgeous. Maybe 2 or 3 years ago now, I did a drama review on Jeju Island, Warm and Cozy. Watch it if you haven't done so. And that's what made me want to go, because it's just beautiful. But anywho, I digress. Here's the 2-step mask right here. You start off with number 1, which is the oil. You apply this to your face first, and then you do the actual mask. This is step 2 up there. And this is what the other side looks like as well. All right, moving on. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, this is the Hydra Rose Mask. And it's a floral skincare recipe. Rose, olive oil, and avocado for hydration and soothing, which is good for me because I have dry skin. So I love hydrating masks. They're the best for me. And coconut gel. So that's why I kind of gasped, because of the coconut. Those of you that follow me, and you know that I love coconut. I don't care what it's in. If it's in hand soap, my hair products, coconut oil for my hair. I eat coconut. I love coconut. So anything with coconut in it is amazing. And this is what this mask looks like. I might try this mask actually today, the Hydra one. This is what the other side looks like also. So that's really, really cool. Next up, we have this one here is Dr. Unum, and this is the repair mask. And it looks like that there. Very, very simple packaging. And this is the other side of it. Right there. And then this one here is the Hello Skin Nourishing Mask. That's what this is here. And I like the packaging of this one. The girl doing yoga there with her mask on. That's what I'm talking about with the puppy. That'd be my dog at the bottom there. And this is the other side here, what that looks like. I like the packaging on that one. And then last but not least, we have one that says oil. This is a Skin First Oil Wrap Mask. 8 flower nectar. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and 8 flower nectar. And that's what that one looks like there. And here's the other side. Alright guys, so that's everything. All 7 masks that I got for the month of February for my Facetory box. Again, I do a sheet mask. I incorporate a sheet mask in my skincare about maybe twice or 3 times a week. So I do them often. So just to recap though, we got this oil mask here, the nourishing mask there. This one here is the Dr. Repair mask. The Hydra Rose mask, which I'm really interested in because of the coconuts. The 2-step mask here. The revitalizing mask. And probably the cutest packaging ever is this one here. This couple's mask that's in the shape of a heart, which is awesome. Alright guys, so let me know if you get this box or if you get the other subscription, which is the one that you only get 4 masks, because it might be different. I'm not exactly sure if there's a difference if we get the same mask or not. But if you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know exactly what you got. Do you do face masks on a weekly basis? If so, how often do you do them? How do you incorporate them into your skincare routine? Do you do it twice a week or 3 times a week or even more often than that? Let me know, guys. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you like this sort of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I not only do unboxings, I do Asian drama and movie reviews, which I need to get back to doing a lot more of, because a lot of people that watch my channel, that's what you like. You like when I do my drama reviews, and there's a lot of good ones out there that I really want to talk about. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나